Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how to add a live wallpaper on your Windows computer. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So click on the Start button and open the Microsoft Store. Search for a lively wallpaper app and install it. Once it's successfully installed, open it. Here you can find different animating wallpapers. If you want, you can also add more animating wallpapers from the internet. To apply it, just click on any of the wallpapers you like, and that's it. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.